Well, thanks so much for sticking around here once again on weatherbug.com. I'm weatherbug.com's severe weather meteorologist Aaron Schaefer with you, and we're talking about snow in the Midwest again. Very unseasonable snow accumulations. Look at that, a time lapse showing the snow arriving and then accumulating in Minneapolis. Well, there goes the snow. So that's the storm threat for today, shifting back to lower Canada, northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and the upper peninsula of Michigan. But that's not the only snow threat. Look at this, back out over Colorado. Winter storm warnings over the Denver area as of the early morning hours, and then also snow back out over southern Nebraska, sections of Kansas, even back into western Oklahoma on the day today. So that's our snow storm threat on the day today. Now, still some lingering winter storm warnings as of the early morning hours, with near 6 inches of additional snowfall, at least a possibility on the high end. A lot of the heaviest snow starting to at least wrap up. Isle Royale getting some moderate snowfall. Denver's winter storm warnings canceled in the early morning hours, but they had them into that time frame. And then still a couple inches of additional snowfall in some of these areas in western Kansas and eastern sections of Colorado. So snowfall over the next 2 days, basically just shooting north and east. There's northern Minnesota, there's northern Lake Superior. So you can see what's going on there. And look at this. Now, our RPM computer model continues to show some of the snowfall trying to move back east in toward northwestern sections of Missouri as well. Now, a lot of these areas could use some dry, just clear weather, a far cry from where we were drought-wise last year, with major flooding concerns, all of these purplish, kind of pinkish dots there in squares on that map. Now, look at all the flood warnings everywhere from Minot and Fargo, where they're bracing for potentially record-level floods, all the way back down toward the Mississippi. So stay tuned to weatherbug.com.